So Elisa, can a home check all the boxes?
I definitely think it can. It depends on your boxes for sure, but if a home can check all the boxes, this might be the one.
I think so. We're out here on Woodside Drive, so let's each talk about what some of our favorite parts of this home are.
What our team loves most about this home is how warm and inviting it is. From the time you walk in, you're going to see very thoughtful lighting. There are heated floors in all the right places, certainly in the primary bathroom, but also in the entryway off the garage. And it's really cool because it is designed to live on the main floor, which we know is a very important box to check for a lot of potential buyers, and still provides opportunity for guests or a family to play both up and down from the main level.
Yeah, and we love just this main floor area. So it is what I would call a semi-open floor plan. So the kitchen does flow, which is right behind the camera here, does flow into the living room, but you still have your own sort of walled off formal dining area, which if you didn't want that, you could use it as something else. You could repurpose that room, but that is a new trend. People really do like the formal dining room as well as sort of this nook area and bar area as well. Makes for a very comfortable sort of after school, in the evening, cooking a meal type place to spend time.
It does. Should we go check out the lower level?
Let's do that. So one of my absolute favorite areas in this home is the lower level. The pool table, the entertainment area with the big screen TV, watching sporting events. You got automatic blinds here for movie night. And of course, I like having the wet bar downstairs and a full bathroom as well.
It's pretty rare that we put a storage area in one of our videos. We did so because the fact that this home is so tricked out is my personal favorite thing. So it has it all, the Sonos sound system throughout the house, even in the separate outbuilding that they built a few years ago. They have the Lutron lighting system that can be controlled at the touch of a button, the mechanical blinds, it's all integrated, and of course, it's all connected right here, the brains of the house. The level of style throughout this home is awesome, and it culminates in the primary bathroom, where you'll find a 2-person shower that is supplied by 2 oversized water tanks, so you never have to worry about running out of hot water. There's also multiple vanities, so a dual vanity, and in the center is a makeup vanity where you can get ready every day at your leisure.
And one of the final features here that I absolutely love about this home on Woodside Drive is the extra outbuilding here with oversized doors, extra deep building. You can fit boats on trailers, you can fit an RV. It is heated, it is totally finished off, and this is in addition to the attached 2-car garage.